In the heart of Jamaica, a lion was born, Robert Nesta Marley. His voice became the heartbeat of a people, his rhythm the pulse of a movement. From Trenchtown's humble streets to the world's grandest stages, Bob sang of love, unity, and resistance. His melodies carried the weight of a nation's struggles and the hope of its future. But even lions fall. A silent enemy, hidden beneath a toenail, crept in, a rare melanoma. Doctors urged amputation. Bob refused, standing firm in his faith. The cancer spread, yet he sang on, his spirit unyielding. In 1980, amidst Zimbabwe's newfound freedom, Bob's dream touched African soil. His music became a clarion call for unity, echoing across the continent. As his health waned, he sought healing, journeying to Germany, then attempting to return home. Fate intervened. Miami became his final resting place. On May 11, 1981, the world dimmed, but his light endured. Bob Marley wasn't just a musician, he was a messenger. His songs remain anthems of freedom, his legacy a testament to the power of one voice, one love, one heart, one destiny.